Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Wipe the Panda dunks clean and remove laces so you can work freely. Once done, plug in a clothing iron and set it to low, no steam. You want gentle, controlled heat. Place a single layer of cotton cloth over the toe creases to protect leather. Heat transfers through fabric, so this barrier prevents shine while allowing the leather to relax. Move quickly and deliberately. You're softening leather, not cooking it. You'll alternate heat and hands-on reshaping. Press the iron over the cloth in short 2-3 second passes, then remove heat and use your fingers or a shoe tree to push the crease outward. Repeat 3-4 times. This gradual approach relaxes fibers without overstressing glue. Make sure to keep the iron moving and never exceed a low setting, because high heat cracks leather. If the leather begins to get too warm, pause and let it cool briefly before continuing. Finish by applying a small amount of leather conditioner to restore oils and flexibility, then buff lightly with a microfiber cloth to remove any dullness. Once conditioned, insert a shoe tree and let the shoe rest overnight to hold the reshaped form. If the crease reappears, repeat 1-2 gentle heat and shape cycles rather than increasing temperature. If you see cracking or glue separation, stop immediately and take the shoes to a cobbler.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.